Afternoon all. Welcome back everyone to another episode of NeoTech, a Minecraft mod pack created by the Feed the Beast group. Today's episode we're going to try to finish up some more of the Caveman Ghost Tech quest tree. And we're going to work on getting a couple more machines built. We're going to do a steam blast furnace. That's so we can start creating steel. And a few other things we're going to try to get conquered today. So, here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to work on making a cutting machine. This way we don't have to use the forge hammer anymore. So we're going to need a few materials for that. We need one diamond, which we thankfully do have that I looted from somewhere. We're going to need a couple coppers here. What else we need? Oh yeah, glass, we got that. And I got the item pipes. There's our cutting machine, which is nice. Put that on there, and the steam pipe going in there. Now with the cutting pipe, we are going to have to get some lubricant, so when we cut stuff up to different things, it's there. To make the lubricant, we're going to have to combine some creosote oil and redstone dust. Now, I'm not going to make a whole lot of this, because we don't have a lot of redstone dust right now, and I cannot manufacture redstone dust at the moment. So, we're only going to do one batch. We don't need a whole lot of this to last us a while. We're going to put that in there, creosote oil. That's going to kick out, should be a full bucket of lubricant when it gets done. Alright, there we go. And then inside this machine, we just put the lubricant right there. And now we're set up to where we can do cutting when we need to. And there'll be several recipes we can do there. Like when it comes down to cutting, you can do the rings, some rods, some of the bolts, quite a few different recipes. So it's a good thing to get that done. Next thing we want to try and get done is let's take a look here. Alright, we got the cutting machine done. We get some more lubricant bucket out of it. So I didn't even have to make any, but oh well, we got extra now. Let's see, do we well, no, we're not ready for primary because I don't have enough iron. You gotta use block of iron to that. We'll get to that when we're ready to make all this. Let me get rid of this bucket in here. Oops. In here. There we go. Let's do that. So we're going to get working on this steam blaster. We're going to need one of these. Oops. Let me get some bricks out. We're going to need some furnace. Blast furnace, yeah. Alright. There we go. Got that. We're going to need input hatch and an output hatch, so we need to make a few more of those. Which means we need some more bronze casings. Get that recipe up here again. Yeah, we're going to need some more bronze. Alright. We got the ring. do not have... Alright, we got some ingots, so we'll come over here to cutting machine. And let's just put 32. We'll start making some rods. And then after we get the rod to make, we'll make some other cutting machines. Maybe we'll put this food in my little food chest here. I kind of just save all the food. Sometimes I eat it, sometimes I don't. It's kind of weird. Alright. The other thing we gotta do is we need to make... Let's see here. So they already said we got them. We don't have them, but we're gonna need to make the fluid output hatch, input hatch, and an output hatch. So we're just going to put them up there. We're also going to need the 2 input hatches, item input hatches. So let's go ahead and do the fluid output hatch. Fluid ones are done. Alright, then we gotta wait on the other 2. We can start laying down our bricks for this. It's gonna be a 3x3, but it's gonna be 4 high this time. Put a center one there. Our steam input's gonna be right here. We'll put the output here, and then we'll put the input up top and the output up top here. So we can just go ahead and get these put in. Up there, and there you can see the build again once we get it up there. Let's go ahead and drop our fluid input hatch, which we need right there. And the output hatch, this is for if we need to mix some liquids. We'll have some come out if necessary. Put the rest of these up here, and we will put there. We'll put the input hatch in the middle and then the output down. All right, we got 64 of these done. We'll take half, and that'll get our bolts going. Put them bricks in there. We don't need them out right now. We got enough to make 2 of our gears, so we'll go ahead and do that. There we go, we got all the stuff to make this, and we'll get some more clay bricks. So uncooked steel dust. To make steel, you got to use uncooked steel dust, and that's what we'll be cooking in this here. Item input hatch there, and item output hatch there. Oh, shaken valve. What did I do wrong? Oh, it's gotta go all the way at the top. Alright, my bad. There we go, nice. Alright, let's get our steam pipe going in. So we have some steam. And here, we'll just, right now, we'll put this uncooked steel dust up there. And if you click on that, it'll tell you to go. It'll be slow. You can speed this up eventually, and we will do that in the future. And then it'll kick out some steel at the bottom here. Now to make there we go. Alright. Alright, make uncooked steel dust. Basically you need 5 of the iron dust, 6 of the coke dust. That's if you do it this way through the bench. Or you can do the mixer, which is 7 and 2, and it'll give you 9 steel dust, which is a lot better. So we'll go over to the mixer and set this up to do that. You will need a lot of steel because we're going to be making steel machines, steel upgrades for all of this. So just go ahead and let it mix up, then we'll put it in there. We're going to be running this more often. Eventually we're going to make something that can trash this creosote oil because we just don't need that much of it. That way we can keep this running to produce coke. And make a steel mining drill. So we're going to need some diamond dust, which I've already went and created. Basically you just macerate diamond block, it'll give you diamond dust powder, and then you macerate it again, you'll get diamond dust. We can't do diamonds yet, so we're stuck on that. Some iron large plates. We'll need to get some plates here. And we just need 2 of those. I think we need another furnace. We need copper gears. Yep, alright. Made some of these ahead of time. I need the other stuff. Let's get rid of this copper. Let's put this copper up. We don't need the copper out right now. There we go. Alright, let's pull these copper in. I'll give us the 1 drill bit, and then here we can, oops, let me get the diamond dust out. 1, 2, 3. There we go, 3x3 drill. Give us some coal with that. And let's go ahead and get a full batch of coal. And we're going to go get ourselves some water. This drill works off of liquid and coal. So you just take the right bucket and click, or use, actually, why won't that fill? Oh, it's already filled, 100% water. Alright, so we just need to add the coal to it. Now this got power. Go down here, my mining area, and we'll show you some stuff on how we can mine with it. do it right here. Let's grab some of this coal. Alright, it'll do a 3x3 grid. Just right click and pulls it out. There is another mode. If you hold shift key and, oops, no, what is it? There. Shift and right click, it'll switch to silk touch or disable it. So if you put silk touch down, you can start getting all these blocks this way. And you start getting the whole block instead of the individual coal. And then you can mine it. That way you can macerate it and get a whole lot more materials out of it. If you shift click and click a block, it'll only click one block. You know, so you can use it either way. And so all you gotta do is keep it filled with coal and water, and it'll last you forever. We're gonna make the steel upgrade. It's kind of what we want to work on now. Does take a lot though for these steel upgrades. But I need to clear some inventory out real quick. Just gonna move that copper. Alright, let's go get that rest of the steel. The reason why we're going to want to make the steel upgrades is because we're going to use the steel upgrades to upgrade these all to steel so they'll work faster. One of the first things we're going to do is the water pump so we can keep providing enough water for this bronze boiler to keep putting out enough steam also. And we will need a lot of these eventually, so we're going to need some bronze gears, some bronze rods. So let's see what we can get with that. Let's go ahead and make a couple of those. We got the flat piece, we got some rods. We're gonna need some rotors. Let's just grab all that stuff. And I believe there's some more of that. Make 6 of those for now. We can do the gears this way, or we can do... Oh, I didn't make a bending machine yet. Alright, we'll have to make a bending machine. We can do a compressor though. It'll do the same. So, let's go make some more rods. In the cutting machine here. And then we'll take these 16 to make us 16 over rings. So we will need to make a bending machine. Because that will be helpful. So we're going to have to make another bronze machine. Like I said, you use a lot of bronze stuff. Yeah, we're going to need another casing, so... Alright. Get some gears made here. 16 of those. Just got these rings. Alright, we'll make 8 of those. Let's go ahead. Make this cutting machine real quick. Alright, we need 2 of those, 3 rods. Alright, there's our bending machine. Ooh, we need steel machine casing, so we need to make... Ooh, Alright, so we need some steel compressing going on. Let's get 16 of them going. We're gonna need some, let this finish up. Yeah, not much else we can do right now. Wait for those. But we can. Alright, vending machine will help out a little bit, because at least then we can get the rollers going. Let's go with that, and then let's go ahead and put 16 in there for that. Get those rods going. There we go. Let's put half of them in there so we can get bolts back. Compressor. Alright, let's put them in there, get 8 more of those. Let's make 1 gear. Let's go ahead and make it. Turn lead to a case. Fire clay brick. And there we are. We just got some upgrades for steel. Get us some some steel plate. And let's go upgrade our water pump first. I don't think we can. Oh, yes, we can. Nice. Upgraded. Nice. Question is, did that give us credit for the quest? No, it did not. So let's go ahead and break it temporarily. Give us the credit. There we go. Now it'll be producing water a lot more faster. Eventually we'll put a bunch of different water pumps in there, eventually. But for now that'll work. And we are going to upgrade our steam boiler so it can get going faster now. And let's upgrade our furnace, our macerator, compressor, and yeah, let's upgrade our cutting machine right now. We'll make more of them as we can. As you can see in there. So that takes care of that. Got some more fluid pipes out of it. We're gonna need some synthetic oil. The way we're gonna have to make this is in the steam blast furnace, which we're gonna need raw synthetic oil, which is gonna take carbon dust and water in the. Alright, so we will need some coke dust here. Actually, got quite a bit here, so let's do. Oops, got it now. Alright, yeah, let's do this. Let's put a bucket of water in there. Alright, it's going to take a bit to make a full bucket. What we'll need to do is put that bucket into the steam blast furnace, and we should be able to just put it right into the input, and then it'll come out with the synthetic oil in the output for us. Once we get synthetic oil, then we can make rubber sheets, which we'll need to make for some of the chipboards out there. And as you can see, you make that by combining the oil and paper inside the mixer. So we're going to need quite a bit of sugar cane. So right now, let's go ahead and go get some sugar cane. Nope, see, look, that's why I was looking. Look, creeper sitting right there. Probably could have snuck up on me. Alright, we don't have a whole lot of sugar cane here, but pretty soon I'll set up an order form for that. Maybe that'll be next episode, so we can get a lot of paper going. But I should have got some there. But honestly, I don't even need to bake the paper because we do got quite a bit. So we're just going to get 16 for right now. And let's see. Oh, we got 1,200. So that makes quite a bit of oil from one bucket. Alright, let's get one bucket of that. And let's come over here. And, ooh. Am I gonna need to do another... Oh boy, yeah, I might have to. Yeah. Alright, let's make another one of those. I'm gonna need... sparkly bricks. Hang on once. Oh no, we need copper. Shit. Okay, we got enough to do this. Alright. Casing. Casing this way. Oh, we want input. Alright. There we go. So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna change this. Put the input hatch there. And then we're gonna put other output hatch there. Alright. So we'll go ahead and put the synthetic oil in there. And it should make it, I think. It should be able to do both of these, I believe. Yep, it is. Alright. Alright, there's our 1,000 synthetic oil. So let's come over here in the mixer. And we can make our rubber sheets. Let that run for a bit. Oh, some more coal ore and some cooking oil. Already registered doing rubber sheet. I must have made one earlier somewhere else and I just forgot. Or looted it from somewhere. Tin cables. We're going to need the rubber sheets, but we need tin wire. Tin wire we can get from cutting... Oh, we need a wire mill. Ooh. Can we make a wire mill quickly? Yeah, maybe. Let's see. I know we were also some steel stuff, so let's make sure we get all of that. Alright, give us a gear, give us a casing. Nice. Alright, let's go. And what? Let's go ahead and put that sucker right here. Alright. Fluid pipes? Yeah, right there. I made a whole bunch of them fluid pipes. There we go. Alright, wire mill. So we need some tin, which we are actually pretty low on because we used a lot of tin to make all the bronze. So don't know if we got any tin ingots. We got one, and we do have some tin dust, so let's go do this. Put the tin dust in there. Then we need to compress the tin ingot. And we can come over here to the wire cutter. I'm going to give us 2. We need about 6 of those, though. Do that. Let's grab some of the rubbers that were made. And guess I didn't bookmark it. I thought I did. Oh, they want 8. Okay. Alright, alright. Guess I should have read it earlier. There we go. We got 12 of those done. Get some copper cable, some silver cable. And as I say, the cables are used for LV machines. That's what we'll be doing to power LV when we get there. And the different cables, copper, silver, and tin, there are 3 different types that'll work at LV. And that's so we can do 3 cables to each machine if we want to have separate power going out for certain reasons. Maybe you want to triple the power coming in the machine. You have to do that by using 3 different cables, so you don't get too strong of a current coming through in one set. Alright, oh yeah, we did make our steel wire mill. See what else we got here. Steel boiler. All right, that'll be easy. We just gotta. Hey, when that happens. Oh, that's right. I'm full. I forgot. that stuff back up, and should have all just reconnected fine, and it did. So let's put our coal back in there so we can keep it running. And yeah, we'll put them back. Got our bucket. I guess I'll just leave that undone for now then. Steel tank, that'll be good to have for some stuff down the road. Golden power, I'll have to look to see what that's used for. Probably some force machines that I don't know if we'll use in here or not. There's our quarry, so we will probably build the quarry next machine. But I think for now, because I need to go get some more iron, so I need to go do some more mining. So we're going to break this episode off here, and between episodes I'm going to do a whole bunch of mining. Maybe set up some more of these two machines here, and then get a bunch of stuff prepped to make a query or two. That way we have it, which is mainly just going to be getting a lot of steel processed. You know, because we got steam query we got to make 10 machine casings, steel pipe machine casings for each query that we want to do. Plus we'll need input hatches, output hatches, some more bronze stuff, bronze drills. So we'll need to get that, and then maybe start getting rid of these components here. And pretty soon we'll be able to go into the LV age. So thanks for listening. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. That will greatly help me out and let me know how you guys are liking the video. Have a good one. See ya.